slept all night on a big white ship. Seagulls were dancing all around. I woke up with a sunrise on the sea. Such a precious gift to me. The salty breeze and the waves.
Today we are saying goodbye to Halong Bay and we are starting a new adventure.
Salty breeze.
Halong Bay was really exciting, interesting, and you didn't know what you were going to do the next day, which is what I liked about it. But my favorite part was seeing the monkeys. They were so cute. I'm really glad I came here because if I hadn't, I never would have seen all of these, well, great things. We had to check out of our room this morning, but we are still sailing to Halong Bay City, where we will leave the boat. We are getting a cooking lesson from some of our entertainment on the way back.
Oh, thank you. Hi everyone, do you want to try make spring roll?
Yesterday we followed the road.
After a quick lesson, we are going to make some spring rolls ourselves. I can't wait. I love to learn how to cook things. To make a spring roll, you get a piece of really thin rice paper and get a scoop of the spring roll stuffing that's mostly cut up vegetables. And then you roll it up and use the egg whites to glue the edges, and then it's ready for cooking.
Salty breeze.
Making the spring roll was so much fun. We are going to eat the spring rolls for lunch. I already know which spring roll is going to be the best. Mine. Goodbye, Halong Bay. We reveal our next destination at the end of the video.
Ready? You want to turn your plate around?
Salty breeze.
After rolling up the spring roll, we used egg whites to glue it together.
Salty breeze.
I thought Halong Bay was really pretty and there was awesome landscape everywhere you looked. Subscribe to my channel so you can follow all of my adventures.
Tightly there?
I did. You like it?
Will it burn well?
It's so crazy.
I want to
I just
live
want to be able to pick it up
in
and
an
like
off
this.
town. Like to see the boats leaving at break of dawn.
The chef is making animals out of vegetables. It is really amazing that we can make like swans out of tomatoes. It's simple, but when you try it, it's so hard.
Salty breeze and the waves.
And we did not want to eat the vegetables anyway.
Thank you.
Bye-bye, Hanoi. We're about to take off. Goodbye, Halong Bay. See you potentially in our future. Or my future, maybe when I'm a grown-up.
Where are you heading to?
We are heading to Hoi An. Flying into Da Nang and then taking a taxi to Hoi An. Pick one of these videos to watch next. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and put a like for this video.